One of the hot topics of discussion these days is the Black Adam star Dwayne Johnson, aka The Rock. You probably remember The Rock from your childhood watching WWE Wrestling, because we totally do. Considered one of the highest paid entertainers on this planet, Dwayne Johnson has surpassed $800 million. He is a famous 50-year-old American actor and a former WWE wrestler who has made a huge bank balance over the past couple of years. With such a high net worth, let's find out what makes Dwayne's luxurious life so unique. Widely known for his ring name, The Rock, Dwayne Johnson has become the world's highest paid entertainer and a very famous public figure. With an immense following of 330 million fans on Instagram, The Rock is said to make $100 million every year through his film projects and endorsements. He pursued an acting career in the early 2000s and gave the world some of the best blockbuster movies. Besides a wealthy acting career, Dwayne is also a very successful businessman who actively invests in real estate and owns major shares in multiple businesses. Rumor has it that Dwayne is going to be a billionaire one of these days. But today, we are going to give you a glimpse into his luxurious lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of the Black Adam star, The Rock. So make sure you watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. It is a fact that The Rock is one of the richest athletes and actors in the world. From the world of sports, he made a really big career out of his time on the WWE and then did a seamless segue into the world of acting, with many notable big-budget films. A source close to The Rock claims Dwayne is a very generous guy, with himself and with his friends. He is always buying something new and extravagant every day. But that is not the only way he spends his millions. He treats his friends, family, co-workers, and film crew very well. He is always giving expensive gifts and treating people around him to a good time. Dwayne is the perfect example of how a filthy rich person should live their life. With a staggering $800 million net worth, he not only spends money on lifestyle, but also invests quite a bit. He is always spending money on startups and buying shares in highly profitable companies. One of the biggest shares he owns is a 30-40% stake in a famous alcohol production company known as Terramana Tequila. If it is not business shares, The Rock also treats his homes like an investment. He is always buying new real estate, using the property as a home for a while, then selling it at a profit. Isn't that a good way to enjoy some luxury while making sure you don't waste money? In November 2019, Dwayne paid an astonishing $9.5 million for a giant mansion and estate in Powder Springs, Georgia. The property features racetracks for horses and many giant stables and ranches. Who knew The Rock was such a horse lover? This house is situated on a giant 15,000-acre piece of prime land and offers some pretty amazing views of the surrounding natural landscape. The house also features 8 giant bedrooms along with 6 luxurious bathrooms. But The Rock doesn't just stop there. Previously, he enjoyed living in a $4.5 million home in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, but later sold the property at a profit. In 2021, when the world seemed to have come to a halt, The Rock was still busy spending his millions. He paid an astonishing amount of $28.7 million for a giant mansion in Beverly Park, California. Rumors are this mansion was previously owned by Paul Reiser. Is that why The Rock wanted it so bad? And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about The Rock's extremely wealthy lifestyle? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.